Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of my sketchbook part 2. Here you will see many charcoal sketches and my unhealthy obsession with anime. So let's start. So first up is your Forger from Spy X Family. She looks so sweet, but don't let that fool you. She can probably annihilate anyone in the blink of eye. What I love about her that she is such a softie inside. So next one is Luffy from One Piece. You all know him, my personal favorite. And this guy smiles through every disaster. Honestly, if I was even 10% like him, I would stop crying every time I ruin my sketch. He has such great optimism and he inspires us all. You have watched many Gen Z revolutions in these days. Every time you can see one guy impersonating as Luffy. Next, Violet Evergarden. Now confession time, I haven't watched this one. My brother keeps recommended it, but I always say maybe next time. Actually, I'm saving the depression for later. Next one, Mikasa from Attack of Titan. I haven't watched AOT either, so please no spoilers. Somehow I know half of the story thanks to the internet, but it is on my watch list. Next, of course, Sukuna. You know him? But I have a question. Why are all anime's villains always so handsome? It's honestly unfair. Authors, how can we hate them? I remember that song, Devil Wear a Suit and a Tie. It suits him. But, he still can't beat Gojo in looks. Then we have some eye sketches. I heard a line somewhere that eyes are the windows to the soul. And you can tell about the person just by looking in their eyes. But mine eye sketches are window to my symmetry struggles. Why is it so difficult to draw the symmetrical eyes? By the way, which of these eyes is your favorite? Do tell me in the comments. Next, Makima from Chainsaw Man. She looks innocent but definitely always have a plan. Perfect definition of calm among the chaos. And she is more organized than my sketchbook. She is so elegant, I love her. Next, Baguri-san from Fragrant Flower Bloom with Dignity. The thing that I love most about this anime is how everything completes a full circle in the last episode. First episode from Rintaro's POV and last episode from Baguri's POV. It makes us believe in love and reminds us how lonely we are. Next, we can skip. I tried to make someone, but next is a realistic portrait. I spent forever trying to make it realistic, but I didn't think I achieved that. However, I like the lips here. Next sketch is Goku. I made this one for my cousin because he's a huge fan. And I tried my best, but I think I made less muscles. Next, a sketch which was never complete. Next one. Oh, this sketch. I love this sketch. I love how this one turned out. The tattoos, the hairstyle and the earrings. Although I need to work on the anatomy. See the fingers, how thin they are. Next sketch is inspired by Roxana, a manhwa character. I don't know you read manhwa or not, but they have very diverse stories. Now she is beautiful, elegant, surrounded by butterflies that suck human blood. Isn't she fascinating? Nature really said pretty but terrifying. And finally, another realism practice. Realism really teaches you patience. See the water portion on the nose and the hairs. It really turned out better than my expectations. But this bottom part, not so good. That was the end of my sketchbook tour. And which sketch was your favorite? Do tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.